Ready to unlock the secrets of selling new construction and become the go-to agent for buyers craving that fresh, never live-it-in feel? First, network like your business depends on it because it does. Attend local builder association meetings and construction industry events, introduce yourself, and consistently follow up to build strong relationships, which will give you the inside track on upcoming projects. Next, master your MLS. Set up saved searches specifically for new construction, using keywords like new construction, Tobebuilt, and model home, and also check for permits pulled in the area, as these searches will alert you to new listings the second they hit the market. Then, dive into the digital world and fully utilize online resources such as Zillow, Redfin, and New Home Source. But don't forget to visit individual builder websites, as many builders will list their communities and available homes directly on their sites. Finally, market those new developments like crazy. Create targeted social media campaigns, host open houses showcasing the models, and highlight the benefits of new construction, like modern amenities and energy efficiency, which attracts those eager buyers searching for their dream home.